Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle on this cold January day. It's the coldest day of the year, but the year is only about 14 days old or so. Anyway, we just got back from Long Island and New Jersey. We wound up buying a whole load of stuff. We originally were going to take just the van and load some stuff up into there, and then it just got out of hand. So now what we're doing is, you can see our pond's frozen, everything's froze. So we're going to load this U-Haul because it's completely full, and I'm the best packer in the world, I really am. So we have stuff triple stacked with plywood, and there's even a bike in there. So we're going to get this thing fired up, and we're going to load it, and we'll show you the process. So thanks a lot for looking at our stuff, and we'll continue here. Okay, here's one of the nice finds here. This is kind of an early Z1 motor. Got the short head nuts on it and stuff. And the VIN number is Z1E07044. So this would be the makings of a nice early bike. So let's call this to be continued. Which I'm guessing is somewhere around 1975 or so. Okay. We have another motor, which we believe to be 79 or 80 KZ1000 LTD, we're assuming. Okay, this is the next one. Now, I don't know the year of this because it's got 6 digits on the engine block, but this is a Z2 engine. This was the 750 baby Z1, so this is a Z2 engine. Okay, this is our favorite part of it. This is just a portion of the heads and cylinders. I don't know much about the heads, but we're kind of familiar with the cylinders more so because we do the Wiseco 1015 kits, 1075 kits. So we've got some cores. And as everybody knows, we get the sleeves and stuff made. So nice sample there. But now for the really good part. This is a stock KZ1000 wheel, like LTD or something, probably 79 or 80. But here we have a Lester front wheel. This is a 76 and up Lester mag. We will probably be selling that, I'm sure. Then we have another Lester mag, and this looks to be a 16-inch wheel, and this will fit 76. Actually, will fit 73 to 75 Z1, 76 to 77 KZ 900A. As well as all H2s, as we have the early H2 hole here, then the later H2 hole here. So this will fit several different things, and that's from the factory like that. Okay, then we have a drag bike. Now this has a special rear wheel that I got to figure out, and they actually welded another rim to this to make it what it is. Looks like a 76-inch frame, but also pay attention to the swing arm. The swing arm goes to the outside of the frame. We don't know anything about this, but we're getting ready to unload it, and we're going to go over this, and I don't think we'll be building this bike because we don't like to fix a lot of modified stuff if we can help it. So thanks for looking, and the journey continues. A complete air box for like a 79 to 80 KZ 1000. Has the two tubes right here, and has the inlet vent right here. Nice part, nice part. Then over here we got a pretty nice seat. Flip it over, Kenny. You know what? I think this is aftermarket. Flip it again. Yeah, it's aftermarket, but it still is what it is. Okay. Which is, we think, is for KZ1000J. We're going to find out, but we believe this is new old stock. KZ1000J. Okay, give it to Kelly. NOS Z1 front sprocket cover. Pretty nice. Kind of put away as we're loading. Couple tool trays. Then we have a tool tray for 77, 78 KZ1000. Nice part. And I don't know how complete the kit is, but there's a tool kit that came with that. Not seen it. And this I think is like a Concours cover, but I don't know. I don't know anything about stuff with newer than 80. But I do know this. NOS right side brake caliper for an H2. I believe this is right side. NOS, I think that's an optional part. Not bad. Here, these are all NOS Kawasaki decals. Like there's one in here for Takati, three-wheel Takati, and the majority of stuff is 70s. This whole stack is decals. Call with needs, call with needs.